B. Formulas. Students' marks list. Total equals sum left parent first subject cell address column last subject cell address right parent enter. Average equals sum left parent total marks cell address slash number of subjects right parent enter. Minimum equals min left parent first subject cell address column last subject cell address right parent enter. Maximum equals max left parent first subject cell address column last subject cell address right parent enter. Result equals if left parent and left parent first subject cell address greater equals 35, second subject cell address greater equals 35, third subject cell address greater equals 35, fourth subject cell address greater equals 35, fifth subject cell address greater equals 35, sixth subject cell address greater equals 35 right parent, quote pass quote quote fail quote right parent enter. Grade equals if left parent average cell address greater equals 80, quote a quote, if left parent average cell address greater equals 60, quote b quote, if left parent average cell address greater equals 45, quote c quote right parent enter. Rank equals rank left parent present student total cell address, first student total cell address F4 column last student total cell address F4, 0 right parent enter. Electricity bill. Total units. Equals left parent present month reading dash last month reading right parent enter. Price. Equals if left parent total units cell address greater equals 300, total units cell address into 15, if left parent total units cell address greater equals 200, total units cell address into 10, if left parent total units cell address greater equals 100, total units cell address into 8, if left parent total units cell address less than equals 100, total units cell address into 5 right parent 4 times enter. Tax equals left parent price cell address into 18% right parent enter. Total price equals left parent price cell address plus tax cell address right parent enter, or equals sum left parent price cell address column tax cell address right parent enter. Pay statement. Basic pay. Note, you can give any specific amount like 20,000, 45,000 each. HRA, house rent ALLOVENCE. Equals left parent basic pay cell address into 20% right parent enter. Traveling ALLOVENCE. Equals left parent basic pay cell address into 5% right parent enter. Commission. Equals left parent basic pay cell address into 2% right parent enter. Gross salary. Equals sum left parent basic pay cell address column commission cell address right parent enter. PF Provident Fund. Equals left parent basic pay cell address into 12% right parent enter. AC employee state insurance. Equals left parent basic pay cell address into 2% right parent enter. Professional tax. Equals left parent basic pay cell address into 1% right parent enter. Total deduction. Equals sum left parent provident fund cell address column professional tax cell address right parent enter. Net salary. Equals left parent gross salary cell address dash total deduction cell address right parent enter. Note. The amounts and percentages are my assumption only. If you want, you can change according to your convenience.